keep an eye on the grain pattern for inconsistencies.
Confirmed. The color saturation is excellent on this batch.
The count on display matches the manifest.
Confirmed. Batch secured for Process A.
This initial treatment bonds with the wood fibers, acting as the critical foundation layer. It enhances the wood's dimension.
The forklift confirms trim stock isolation, process B lock. The worker scans the barcode.
Diamond-tipped cutters rapidly shape the complex tenon profiles onto the dot components. The wood fibers are cut with
The synchronized robotic arms precisely position the stiles and rails before the hydraulic cylinders apply several tons of pressure.
This critical step removes any final tooling marks and prepares the wood structure to optimally receive the UV-inhibiting sealants and pigmented oils. The Padauk door passes through a pressurized washing station, where deionized air and anti-static brushes remove all agents. As the door enters the stabilization booth, specialized equipment applies multiple layers of UV-inhibiting sealant. The newly coated Padauk door exits the spray booth and enters a short, low-heat flash-off zone. A specialized robotic tool inserts the complex commercial-grade lock set, securing it with specialized long screws.
An automated roller embeds high-performance weather-stripping seals into the routed channels, ensuring an absolute seal.
A robotic laser precisely burns the company logo and UV stabilization details. This
incidents. This rigorous cleaning ensures every groove of the vibrant red-orange wood is free of microscopic dust particles. This roller coating technique ensures consistent thickness and deep penetration, maximizing color longevity and weather resistance.
The finished Padauk exterior trim is automatically transferred to a large, open-air drying rack system with
The robotic applicator firmly attaches a weatherproof label detailing the length, profile, stabilization method.
With the vibrant red-orange Padauk secured, the truck departs the modern factory, signifying the transition from manufacturing to installation.
This massive logistics hub showcases the scale of the Padauk distribution network.
Careful with this stuff, it's the Padauk order.
Yeah, I got it. Set it down easy on the pallets.
Looks good. Let's get the wrap off this one.
The linear trim elements define the architectural lines, demonstrating the intended high-impact aesthetic usage of the secondary product.
The droplets bead up and run cleanly off the UV-stabilized surface. This moisture protection confirms the product.
The durability demonstrates the longevity and high quality of the factory-applied coatings, proving its
This extremely climb rope view round. Applied during Process B, the commercial-grade exterior coating means this vibrant Padauk trim requires no...
Red or it went down pattern through exterior.
From the raw log stage, through our sequential industrial processes, the UV-stabilized Padauk trim